Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. We're about to get into your love reading, the no contact, okay? This person is on your mind, your energy, and you separated from it. Also pulling some oracle cards for advice at the end of the read. So make sure you stay tuned. Alright, let's get into it. The Hermit. I feel like this person, causes you a lot of confusion. You can't really read them. They're withdrawn, closed off. Okay. I feel like sometimes you don't know what to expect from this person. The Six of Cups and the Two of Wands. But I do see that this friendship, this love that you have, and you do want to move forward with them. Move past the confusion. Like, that's what I'm getting. Ooh, they feel like you're a lot to deal with, but they love you. They feel like you're a lot to deal with, but they love you. Okay. I feel like they may have their guard up, maybe defensive towards you. Yeah. You have the Judgment. You could have made a decision to end this connection. Or they feel like you made this, judge them a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lot to deal with. You judge them. You really on their ass a lot, and that causes them to have this anxiety to pull back their energy from you. Let's talk about this Ace of Cups. Temperance. It's like they have a lot of love for you, right? And I feel like they have a lot. This is the Temperance card, the Sagittarius, but they feel like that you can be argumentative at times. And yeah, let's see. Ooh, hold on. King of Cups. I feel like you feel like this person just unemotionally unavailable. They're toxic. When they come towards you, they toxic. And I feel like one minute they're toxic, and one minute they want to come to you and do the right thing, and it's just you feel like this is it's moving slow. But you do, so you do want something serious with them because you do love them. You do have emotional fulfillment. You're just hurt by this person. This person has hurt you. Okay. And you want that to change. You want this person to put in the work and fix their toxic ways. Come to you correct. Ooh, hold on. Five of Coins. They just ready to get out of this energy where they don't want to feel this way. They don't want to miss you. They want things to change. They want to get on the same page. Okay, they still have hope. Okay, they still have hope for this connection. They really want to. They really want to reach out to you. You know, they're really willing. They're willing to let go of things. I feel like they want to communicate that they feel like there's another opportunity. Okay, I feel like that they are sad about what happened and they're willing to change and have something serious with you. Page of Pentacles. You know, I feel like this person, you know, they dropped the ball. They could have had some potential to have something solid here, but they didn't. They pulled their energy back. You know, they didn't grab a hold of this opportunity. And see, that's where the change is. They're willing to take a chance on you in this connection. Yeah, they're willing to build with you. They've been thinking about this, looking at the truth of the situation. All right, and so yeah, they want you to know that they're willing to fix this. Okay, they really want to fix things between you. Because they know that you're sad. Yeah, so they want to reunite. They want to move forward and reunite. Move past. You know, close up the chapter of the old. You know, out with the old, in with the new. Overcome everything together. Yeah. They want justice. They want to treat you right. Treat you fairly. They think you deserve that. You know, bring balance back into this connection. Yep, they want a new beginning. They want a new beginning. They're cautious though, because they don't know if it's over. You know, they don't know if it's all the way over. They feel like you still may be a little bit guarded. Let's see the direction this relationship is headed in. This connection. And then we're going to get some advice from the other cards. The Death card. Alright, the end of heartbreak. Okay. Let me see. Ooh, card is popping out. Hold on. I feel like, hold on, y'all. Let me pull up my cards. Yeah, so it's like they wanna end their heartbreak. The King of Coins, you know, they want to change, a transformation. Okay. You know, really building on that. This person really wants to take their time with you. You know, they see what they've done and they want to invest with you and to move towards a safer place, you know, to get you out of confusion, out of fear, and, you know, being able to let your guard down, because I feel like there's going to be a lot of arguments, there's definitely going to be some challenges, okay, but I feel like you still have a lot of passion for this person, and the love that you have generates over towards this person, you know, so let me to clarify something real quick. Let me clarify this too. Whoop. Yeah. Bringing everything back into balance. We'll get some love oracles for advice for this connection. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. So Spirit is saying that if you want to leave, you can leave. You know this person is going to try to repair your heart, repair this connection. And you need some space, some time to think about what it is that you want. You want to be free from this person. The choice is yours. You don't have to be with them. Okay, but it's definitely, this relationship is definitely going to transform. It has that potential to transform. Okay, but I feel like you may need to be friends first before you can, get back on good terms. All right. All right, and let's get some moonology. You're definitely going to have your guard up. You're not going to trust this person. Alright, for this connection. Alright, for this connection. Confidence is the key to success. Being confident. Luck is on your side. So I'm confident that things going to go in the right direction. That things are going to smooth over. And just letting go of control. Just allowing yourself to be in your safe place. Okay. But I also feel like in order for this connection to really become serious again, or have something, I feel like some of you feel like you don't have nobody, or this person treats you like you're nobody. Okay, and that's something you're gonna have to release and forgive this person for. All right. That's all that I have for you. I really hope you enjoyed this reading, Sagittarius. If you do, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, see you soon. Peace.